Today at the LA County Fair. I would like to introduce the Diamond Ranch Stylist Singers who are going to open us in our national anthem and also share a few of their songs with us.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars